exercise 2.2. We have till now we have done up till question number 6. Question number 6, last class we have done up till question 1 and 2, that is question A and question B. I'll be discussing now question number D and E. So question number 6 is question D. It is given as 4 into 6 1 by 3. 4 into 6 1 by 3. So firstly you have to convert this into improper fraction. So for 6 3s are 18, so it is 19 by 3. Then you multiply with this, 4 into 19, it will be 76 divided by 3. Now you have to convert this into mixed fraction. So for converting mixed fraction, so 76, 3 to the 6, 16, 3 5s are 15. So remainder it will be equals to 1. So you just change the position, 1 will go up, 1, 25 will come this side and 3 will go down. Okay, so this is your mixed fraction, 25 1 by 3. Then if I take question number E. Question number E is given 3 1 by 4 into 6. So 3 4s are 12, 12 1s are 12 plus 1 13, 13 by 4 into 6. So 13 into 6, firstly I will multiply it. So 13 6 it is 78 by 4. Then I can cancel it out a little bit. So if I convert into the mixed fraction, firstly I'll convert 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18. So 39 by 2. So 2 19s are 38. It will be remainder as 1. So 1 will go up, this 2 will go down, this will be 19 1 by 2. So this is the answer for question E. The rest, that is question number C and question number F. As it is, all the questions are almost similar. So C and F you have to try by yourself. Now I go to question number 7. Now what is the question number stands? Question number 7 is similar to like question number 5. It is given, first question, find half of, it is given half of question A 2 3 by 4, and the second one is given 4 2 by 9. So half of, everyone knows, as I have already explained it, what is of? Of means multiplication. So half into, I am doing the first one, okay, half into 2 3 by 4, and for this it will be half into 4 2 by 9. First convert into improper fraction, half into 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4, so it will be 11 by 8. Same way, 4 9s are 36, 36 plus 2 38, so it will be half into 38 by 9, so it will be 38 by 2 9s are 18, so 38 by 18. I can simplify a little bit, 2 9s are 18, so it will be 219, so it will be equals to 19 by 9. This is your answer for question number 2. So I have done 7A, so it is B. Okay, 1A and B is done. I go to question number 2 then, that is question number B. So the question number B, it is given as question number B, it is 5 by 8 of, it is given 1, 3 5 by 6, and 2 it is given 9 2 by 3. Okay, this you have to do by yourself. I am doing this one. 5 by 8 into 3 5 by 6. So 5 by 8 into 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 5 23, so it is 23 by 6. Next it will be 8 6 are 48, so it will be 48. Then 5 into 3 it will be 15, 1, 5 to the 10, so it will be 115 by 48. I can cancel it out a little bit. So 3 I think no, it cannot be cancelled. So it will be 115 by 48. So this will be your answer for question number B1. 2 you have to try by yourself. Next I am going to the last question of the chapter, that is question number 7. Let us see how the question number 7 is to be done. So the question number 7 is given. There are two persons, Vidya and Pratap. They went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Okay, contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. So, first question, how much water did Vidya drink? Second question is, what fraction of the total quantity of the water did Pratap drink? So there is a, I am repeating the question. क्वेश्चन पे दिया हुआ है एक 5 लीटर वाटर बॉटल है. उसी 5 लीटर वाटर बॉटल से 2/5 ऑफ द वाटर हैज बीन ड्रंक बाय विद्या, और जो बाकी जो पानी रह गया था that was drunk by Pratap. So how much amount of water has been drunk by Pratap, we have to find out. First of all, we have to see total amount of water. It is equals to 5 liters. Vidya drank 2/5 of 5 liters of water. So to 2/5 of 5 liters of water, that means 2/5 into 5. So I can cancel this 5. So she has drank 2 liters of water. This is for the Vidya. So the first question we have already got. This is for the first one. Vidya drank how much amount of water? 2/5 of 4. Sorry, 2/5 of 5. Next, if I go to the next question, that is, so part 2, that is Pratap drank the remaining water. So total liter was 5. Total liter that is present in the bottle was 5. So 5, and Vidya has drank 2 liters. So how much liters will be left out? So obviously it will be 5 minus of 2. So it will be 5 minus of 2 liters left out in the bottle. So it will be 3 liters. But the question is given, what fraction of the water has been drank by Pratap? So the fraction of water drank by Pratap it is equals to 3/5. Okay, total liter was 5 and he has drank 3, so it will be 3/5. So this is the question for the second part. So we have done question 1, question 2, and I have given you some homework. Please try to note down that in your copy. Okay, we have finished exercise 2.2. Next we'll be going to exercise 2.3, but before going to that we'll be going through some rules, then only we'll be going to exercise 2.3. Okay, thank you for today.